for a minute.
No, I don't like it.
Well, then I could take you. Yeah, way sweeter. Eh?
They really are.
It's like no exercise though. Hills, they're brutal though.
Huh?
On hills, they're brutal.
I need a drink cooler. Drink cooler. My switching. Need a basket. Need a basket. Hunto? Yeah, I need a basket. Car. Car.
Grip it up though. This way.
Huh?
No, I never. It's not caught on tape. It didn't even hit her. Mini hit her. Struggling. It's not like I videotaped it. It's not like I videotaped it. Come on, ding dong. Come on, ding dong. We're gonna have a hot fountain piss here. Come on, Joe. Why would you get her a basket so she doesn't get no exercise? Gosh, I think she's been drinking. She's all old now. Go down to the next street. Stop. Why aren't you supposed to exercise, Candace? Is that it? She's lying. Oh, your seat does, doesn't it? How's the new bike? No. Yes. Go over to this side, Candace, so she goes along the sidewalk. till she goes on the sidewalk. There we go. Now we're cruising. Anyway, she's pulling me. Okay. Mini dog's pulling. What's wrong with that? You just push it up, I guess, right? Well, should be stunting. It's going what? Oh yeah. Zolbeck, you're crazy. He's probably dying of thirst. Yeah. Come on, Zol. I didn't even touch her. Well, yeah, we'll go back to the tape. Oh yeah, hopefully I missed it. It was right in her pusser. Right in the pusser. So, shut up.